Alright, in the last module we dealt with envelopes and labels, and what we've kind of set the table to do here is create a new envelope. So we take a document that we're already prepared. We want to mail it out, print it and mail it. So we've got this default address. You'll never have to type in your return address again. And then you've got your delivery address, which I'll just add manually there very quickly because we don't need to see the whole thing again. And we'll add it to the document. So now this is going out. Now a couple of options come into play here. One, how do I get rid of that? How do I print so that that is not going to print every time so I don't see an envelope? Well, one of the ways is you can choose your printing options and just select a certain amount of pages. So print, select your printer, and then what do you want to print? Pages, and so on. If you click on all, though, it'll print the envelope as well. If you just want to print the envelope, you can set your insertion point and choose the current page that you saw in the previous dialog box. Or what you can do to get rid of the envelope altogether is just you have to make a selection on all the elements in the envelope and then hit either the or the backspace key. So if you hit backspace, it removes all the text as you just saw. If you hit delete key is what you need to do, and in this case twice, it deletes the envelope itself. Now, what about this? What about if we're creating a label? We use the return address. It puts that address in there. What if I don't want that to be the return address anymore? What if I don't want any, or I want to change it? Maybe I'm taking over a computer from someone else and it's gotten to be a real pain because every time I print out a label and I want a return address, I have to manually redo this. I have to go to my address book, etc., etc. Or if I'm creating an envelope, I always have to go, oh shoot, I want to type my name instead. Well, here's what you do. You go to your Word Options, Office button, Word Options, brings up this dialog box here. And now you click on your advanced grouping of Word Options and scroll down towards the bottom. You should see a section called General. And in the General section, you'll see the mailing address. So all you have to do here is delete that, select it, hit the delete key, and click on OK. And now when you create an envelope again or a label, use the return address. It's not there. Envelope, not there. No return address. So that is how you either delete the return address or change it and set a new one.